Hi y'all. So I know I look stupid right now, and it may look like I'm forcing myself to kind of be in the mood, because I am. I'm annoyed. I'm trying to like not even curse anymore at all, but I'm just so aggravated. I don't know what's going on. It can't like just be me. I can like create that hair that was out of place just then, that just annoyed me. Everything's bothering me. I'm so easily agitated. I feel like I'm not the only one. Okay, so obviously I like creating content. The process of it, it's fun to me. But I don't like putting a lot of time and effort into content and then basically hating the content that I created. I hate how I can like make a video today and I can love it, and then tomorrow I can absolutely hate it. That's why I don't watch my own YouTube videos. I hate how I can take a picture today and it looks gorgeous today, and then tomorrow I hate it. From the bottom of my soul, I don't know what the middle ground is here. So I don't know what to do about that. I want to have content that I create that I like today, years from now, that I'm proud of. And right now I'm just not feeling proud. I'm not feeling satisfied. I don't like it. For example, the last look that I came here and I created, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna create a look that I know I'm comfortable with, blah 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 blah. I actually didn't create a look that I was comfortable with because I tried to do more. That's not what I usually do. I did more than what I usually do. And looking at myself in the mirror that day, I felt like I liked it. Looking at my clips as I was editing, I hated it. I watched that video on my channel, I think it was like yesterday. I never watch my videos after I post them. I hated it. It's like I want to delete every single thing off of my YouTube. That's how I'm feeling, and I don't know why. I'm just aggravated, and then I need to be filming as much as possible right now because my eyebrows look good, and the lady who do my eyebrows booked up till August, right? So my eyebrows are probably gonna get bushy again by the time I get them done, so I need to be filming. My face had like an not an allergic reaction, but it had like a chemical reaction. I got burnt all around my mouth. It's better now. You can still see a little bit of scabbing right here, but it's not bad. But I had to like not put makeup or anything on my face for a couple days because of that, and that happened to me before. It's just that everything is bothering me right now, so it seems like a big deal. I'm just so annoyed. Like, I'm just so annoyed. I don't even know how to explain what I feel. Today, what I wanted to do was I wanted to create a look that I know I hate. I wanted to create a look that I know it's not gonna fit my face. So when I edit the content and I look at it, I'm like, well, I already knew that I was gonna hate it. I'm tired of being disappointed in myself. Like, I don't want to create a look and then feel like I love it, and then as I'm editing the video be like, oh no, I don't want to post this because I hate it. And at that point I'm just a hamster in a wheel going fast nowhere. People who know me are gonna say, oh, you're just being really hard on yourself, you're your hardest judge, whatever. I'm sick of hearing that. I am sick of hearing that. It's, what do you want? Like, I'm not satisfied. What do you want me to do? I don't know. I'm not really in the mood to like do a talk through. I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on, where my head is at. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna do my makeup and be comfortable. I don't know if I'm gonna push myself outside my comfort zone and have a preconceived notion that I'm just doing this for the sake of doing it. I'm not gonna like it. Or if I'm gonna try to do something that I like. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I guess we'll see by the end of this video, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is what I came up with. I don't want to say, it's like, now I'm scared to say that I like it or I don't like it. I like that I was creative. I like that I tried something different. I wanted to opt out of lashes for this video. I like my eyebrows, that I can say that I like. I don't think that that will come off on camera ugly, but I like how creative I was. It's different for me. The colors go well together. I guess it's a look. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and hopefully the next time you guys see me I won't have such an attitude. So